Today we're gonna talk about this microphone. It's the AM8 from Fifine. They sent me this unit so I can test and give a really honest review, and I'm really happy to receive this. So without further ado, let's go for the unboxing of this microphone so you guys can see how it looks. And of course, we're gonna test, we're gonna see the design, and in the end, I'm gonna give you my honest opinion. So that's the box. I like the color, I like the purple. It's one of my favorite colors. Okay, so you have the option of USB or XLR. So you have these two options on this little guy. It's compatible with Windows, Mac, PlayStation 4, and PlayStation 5. So all my review, I'm gonna connect everything to my computer here. So we're gonna see, actually we're gonna hear how it sounds. So let's open the box. We have like a user guide. Of course, I'm gonna read everything. Yes, I will. So you can connect straight to your PlayStation 4 or 5, desktop, laptops, and you have some more options here. Oh, RGB, that's cool. There's good stuff.
Yeah, you can change the color.
You can change the color,
yeah,
yes.
which is really nice too.
Yes, that's cool. This is the base for the microphone. Yes, that's the base. It's a little, it's not that heavy, but I think it's gonna give a good balance on that. We have a USB-C here, so USB-C to USB-A. Oh, also there's like an adapter here, so you guys can see that there's a adapter for USB-A, and I believe I can disconnect it. I'm sure I can. I'll figure it out.
Be careful, yeah.
Because yes, there's a
okay, good.
USB-C to C, or you connect this and it's gonna become USB-C to A. Here is the microphone. Let me put the box here on the side, because now
this is the black version, but I know they have different colors as well.
Yes, that's true. That's true.
The pink one and
the white. They had the white. Yes, they have black, white, and pink. Here we have some adjustments here. I believe you guys can see, so we can adjust the gain of the microphone here. And also you have the option here that you can connect a headphone here, so you can hear your own voice. So here you have the control over the volume on that. That's a really cool feature. On the other side, you have the tap to mute button. So if you want like to have privacy when you're talking, you can come here and you just press that. On this bottom here, you have the XLR, the connector for the regular microphones. USB-C, and this, as I just explained, you connect to a headphone jack like 3.5. And here we're gonna test this. We're gonna put in the bass, so it's really simple. The bass, as I said, it's steady, it's firm. So you just scroll here, and then I put here on my desk. As you can see, the design is really pretty. I like the way it looks. And also, other thing that I forgot to say is that you see this white part here, it's RGB, so I believe you are able to control the color and the light here. We're gonna see this when we connect to my computer. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna use the USB cable to connect to my computer, and you guys gonna start hearing me from the microphone with the gameplay. Before we hear the sound of the microphone, I wanna show you guys when I connect to my computer, the color of the RGB. So here everything is changing, like the colors is like random colors, but we have like options of different colors, as you can see,
and different modes as well. Yes. Right, they are playing a lot of
like different modes of colors. Then if I want, I believe I can have like a steady light, as you can see, look, yellow, green, a different green, like blue. I know that my camera is not capturing. We were trying to find a better way to show you guys, but believe me, the color is really, really nice. The quality of the lighting, the RGB here, like I believe is LED probably. This is purple, and then we go back to RGB. So it's really nice that we have this feature. So if you have like a computer, like I have mine, it's also changing colors, like my mouse here and my keyboard. If you want to have something with the same color in your desk, you can select the color that it's most close to the colors of the rest of your setup, and then you're gonna be fine. So let's go straight for the gameplay so you can hear me talking on that microphone. Okay, so let's talk about what is most important. The sound quality. The sound quality of this microphone, as you can hear, my voice is really clear. And because it's a dynamic microphone, you guys are not hearing the background noise I have. So imagine you're streaming to YouTube, right? You're with some friends on Discord and you have a lot of background noise. This microphone is perfect for you. One thing that I can recommend is, let's say you are on the podcast or even in a business meeting and you need something more professional to sound more professional, this is perfect for you. So I can talk about the pros about this microphone. I like the fact that I can use USB-C and XLR connection on the microphone. Right now, as you guys already know, I'm testing use USB-C, which took me like 30 seconds to make the connection on my computer. Also, you're gonna have RGB lighting, so this is gonna make you gain some FPS on your games. But not only that, but it's gonna look really cool on your setup. But the cons, I would have to say that you might need like an arm for better positioning, because once again, because it's a dynamic microphone, you need to be facing the microphone all the time, so you have to be facing in order to have the best quality on the sound. This is my honest review about the Fifine AM8. This is a really good microphone, and if you're a content creator or even if you're looking for something more professional when you're on a meeting or when you're talking to your friends on Discord and you don't want the background noise to bother anybody, this is a good option for you. This microphone is under $100. I'm gonna put the links down below if you wanna buy one of these. And if you like this kind of content, click on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys next time.